Can you grab a piece? Grab a piece, just a little piece. Okay, that's big, but okay. Can you grab a little tiny piece? There you go. Here, bud. Here's some more. Oh, you want the whole piece of bread, huh? You're generous to the ducks, huh? You the duck whisperer?
This one.
Yeah. What's their names?
Ducks.
Ducks. Just ducks? Okay, that's good names.
This one.
Yeah, are they cute? Do you like feeding them? Do you like feeding them, Ashton?
Yeah.
You do? You want to feed them some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Say, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too.